Charlie Minnick here at Buddy Tolliver RV in Brownfield, Texas. I'm here with Steve McCullough,
the RV Ninja.
Hey, we got a brand new unit we want to show you guys. It's going amazing. It's a Zinger. It's a 340 LR. Is that right, Steve?
Yes, it is.
All right, you got to, guys, you got to come out and see this. It's a brand new floor plan for Zinger. Real excited about having it here. So, Steve, let's go show them some things about this thing.
Well, we got power tongue jack right over here. It's got a brand new battery. It's got your propane tanks. Look at this pass-through storage, and there's a surprise for you inside there. Look at it. It's got the ladder to go on the back that get you roof access on its fully walkable roof.
Okay, so that's portable, Steve, now.
Yeah.
Anymore. So they can, instead of it being hung automatically, that's the case they backing up, might hit a tree limb, won't tear something up. Now it's portable and they can put it in there.
Look at that.
Automatic or electric stabilizer jacks.
Electric stabilizers.
Power awnings.
2 of them. 2 awnings. We just have them out partially because we just had some gusts at 15 miles an hour and we don't want those coming off.
Plus the slide out has a slide topper.
On that side, yeah.
On the opposite side. It's unbelievable.
Solid step, Lippert. You've got a second awning over here. It's just obviously something this size, Charlie, is going to have the tandem axles.
Well, one thing I'm really surprised of is how innovative that Zinger has got with the new floor plan on this, which is something that's absolutely, I've never seen it in any other travel trailer at this size.
No.
And at this price point, it's just amazing. Let's go inside and show them around.
Let's go look. All right, Charlie, let's get a look. Wow, look at this.
Wow, look at this. Look at this new setup. It's unbelievable. So this is a U-boot dinette. It turns into a bed.
Yep.
That's really cool. You've got your dual recliners. Complete dual recliners. I love that. Jackknife sofa.
Jackknife sofa with, look at this, storage underneath
storage, yeah. Wow. But look at the decor, Steve. The accent lighting that they've put on these units.
That is
gorgeous. They've really stepped up their game. Electric fireplace, 32-inch television, lots of cabinet space. Unbelievable. I love it. 12-volt refrigerator.
Yeah, and it's a new one. I've not seen this Dometic that looks like this. It's got the cooling fan in the freezer, adjustable temperature in it. Again, 12-volt compressor driven. It's going to be cold in about an hour or two as compared to the propane ones that can take 12 to 24 hours.
Also, as you're going down the road, you can be running your refrigerator.
Oh, yeah.
Love
absolutely.
it.
Look at
Great.
the pantry. You got drawers, you got cabinets.
Solid surface countertops. Yeah, it looks good.
Sink covers.
It looks good. This is really nice. It's unbelievable.
Faucet with the sprayer.
I really like this here. I guess you could put your trash can under here.
That or a couple of stools.
I'll put some stools in where people, if you've got too many people there, they can sit up here at the bar and eat.
Absolutely. This thing is so cool.
Two 15,000 BTU ACs.
Yep. Thermostatically controlled here.
Okay.
Tankless hot water controller.
Okay, now you're fixing to show them something that is amazing and unique that I have never seen in a travel trailer this size. It's unbelievable.
Look at this. Look at this. A laundry room.
And it comes standard with the washer and dryer.
Splendid. And it gives you lots of room for folding clothes on top of it over here. It is just amazing. And then you have all the storage for whatever else you want to put in there, including your soap and linens, whatever you want to put in there. It's just amazing. You got drawers over here. Power. This thing's amazing. Go ahead.
You know, Steve, something that I really think is amazing. You can use this as a lake cabin. You could use this as a full-time rig. We got a lot of oil field guys that are out here working that are needing that live elsewhere, but they have a place to stay. They're tired of staying in the hotels, tired of staying in a man camp. They want to be able to have their own place to come in and relax. This unit has it all. The size, the rear living, the laundry room. You can turn that into. It has storage, hanging closet area. The storage is just off the shelf here.
It is. So we got a little hallway over here. You got all your control panel. With your tanks, your slide outs, your awnings, all that stuff right over here. Check out this bathroom, guys. You've got look at the shower. Plenty of headroom, short step over, fantastic. You've got storage over here.
Porcelain commode.
It is a porcelain commode. Check it out. You've got vanity You've got medicine cabinet. You've got storage underneath. In-floor heat. And then you come into this master bedroom. Again, you've got this beautiful accent lighting underneath the bed. You've got storage up on the top. You've got good size hanging closets on either side. You do have under bed, nice one, under bed additional storage to help get you through. You can put bins directly underneath there.
Bins for more storage.
Absolutely. If you want to add a TV in the bedroom, it's all preset for it with the Keystone's Key TV. You've got the second air conditioner, which is a dump in here. It's also
ducted from the 15 up front.
Absolutely. So basically, look at this thing, man. It's just got everything you need.
They've really done a great job in order to change up the features, the floor plan. This is the only one I've seen, and I went up to the show in Indiana, up to the open house, and this is the only one that I saw. This is brand new floor plan.
And this flooring with the herringbone, it's just gorgeous. Yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, this is just amazing. Come visit us, Tolliver RV, where we have better prices, better product at TolliverRV.com. That's TolliverRV.com.
And you have Steve, the RV Ninja.